Alright guys, so for today's video with the Mach, this car's been throwing, only at startup, it's been like throwing out a lot of smoke in the back from the exhaust. It kind of looks a bit blue. So the car throws a lot of smoke, and apparently signs and symptoms of that could be a bad PCV valve. So I'm gonna be replacing that. And as you can tell, see, here's the engine, the PCV valve is located right here. This one here. Let's connect this little wire harness. It should pop right off. There we go. And remove this. So right here, just twist it off. It should come right off. I do not know how a bad one looks, but just gonna replace it. Hopefully that does the work. And if it does do the work, then I'll upload the video, and if it doesn't, then I won't upload it. So if you're seeing this video, that means it did work. So I would recommend replacing this PCV valve. Just like that. First connect this little connector. Snap. And put this little tubing back up. And that's it. Pretty simple things. Hopefully that does the trick and it no longer throws smoke from the exhaust. Because if it keeps doing that, then that means I gotta fix the whole head gasket, and that's not gonna be pretty expensive probably. But hopefully this does the trick, and yeah, I'll upload the video if everything's all good. Thank you guys for watching.